Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Mary held a different perspective on environmental initiatives compared to her friend Bobby. She believed that while habitat restoration projects were important, there were other environmental issues that deserved more immediate attention and funding. Mary often argued that resources could be better spent on initiatives like renewable energy development or pollution reduction. In her view, these areas had the potential to create a more significant and lasting impact on the environment. Mary pointed out that investing in renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, could reduce dependence on fossil fuels and lower greenhouse gas emissions. She felt that this shift would address climate change more effectively than habitat restoration alone. Additionally, Mary highlighted the urgent need to tackle pollution in urban areas, which directly affects public health. By allocating funds to clean air and water projects, she believed that communities could improve their quality of life while also protecting natural ecosystems. Moreover, Mary argued that focusing on education and awareness programs would empower people to make environmentally friendly choices. She thought that if more individuals understood the importance of sustainability, they would be more likely to support green initiatives in their daily lives. For Mary, creating a widespread culture of environmental responsibility was just as vital as restoring habitats. She believed that by prioritizing these other initiatives, society could achieve a more comprehensive approach to environmental protection. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.